Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make practice hair color for your classroom. So here I have butterscotch, so a pudding, and here I have permanent hair color. So one thing I want you to see is the consistency of real hair color. Okay, so it sticks onto your brush, it doesn't fall off. And here's same thing with pudding. So if you know the consistency of pudding, then you'll know the consistency that you need for your practice hair color for when you're teaching hair color applications to your students. So here, what I'm going to do is first, I just add a bunch of cheap conditioner. Get the cheapest that you can find. You can see it's a lot goopier. Conditioner is made to be slippery. You can see a lot of shine on it. So we need to make it a little bit more gritty for it to not leak all over your students' mannequins, and then you can't mark their work. So what I'm going to do to add some grit, I'm just going to add cornstarch, and I'm putting a big dollop on there. Once you've added some, you just need to test it by dipping your brush into it. So it's still not quite the same consistency as pudding. We need a little bit more. So I'm just going to do the same thing again, just add a bunch and mix it up. Okay, so now I'm going to test it again. And there we go. It now has the same consistency as our pudding. Still has a lot of shine, but it's greatly reduced. Another thing is that sometimes you can't see the hair color, the practice hair color on students' mannequins. So you can always just add some acrylic paint to give it some color. This will also make it easier for you to see if your students are washing them out of the mannequin properly. And if you watch my video about how to wash product out of the mannequin, you'll see that this is the exact same mixture that I was using. And there you go. You have your practice hair color. For all you educators out there, I hope that this helps, and comment below and let me know how it worked in your classroom. Thanks. Until next time.